Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your language on your Polkawallet's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your language on Polkawallet, firstly go ahead and launch open your Polkawallet application. The home page of Polkawallet application will appear on the screen. Click on Settings option at the bottom right corner of the page. You will end up on the settings page of your Polkawallet's account. Click on Preferences. On the next page, tap on Language. Select the language that you prefer and tap on it. Once you're done, it will change your language in no time. This is how you can change your language on Polkawallet's account quickly and easily just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.